So,
What's your
hi.
name?
My name is Rashida Torres. I'm actually the new student president at Brooklyn, but I'm here representing the Community Coalition for Students with Disabilities. And I actually don't know if you guys know this, but when students with disabilities have to take out loans, it's actually harder for them to repay because the unemployment rate amongst people with disabilities is actually 4 times the unemployment rate in any given state of people because of discrimination. So, what we've done is, while we do these, voter registration events, especially for students with disabilities, with the clubs on each of the community campuses, and by doing that, we get them more civically engaged, and we let them know that, not only is this going to affect, you now because you don't have a job, it's going to affect you once you get out of school because it's so hard to find a job. I mean, we partner with different programs like Access VR, and they help pay for books and sometimes, part of their tuition. But, it's such an uphill battle because, I have a meeting with all of my constituents tomorrow, and we're going to be talking about this because, a bunch of us brought it up because we know, like for instance, I have $12,000 in loans. I got a little bit of financial aid, and I have $12,000. I'm going to at least have $10,000 to $15,000 more before I get my master's, and then I'm going on for my PhD. And how am I going to pay that once I get out of school when it's hard, for me and any of my constituents to get a job? So, we're all, I'm glad to be here representing the coalition. Represents, not just people with disabilities, also veterans with disabilities, because it's really hard for us because of unemployment, unemployment issues.
And yeah, absolutely. I mean, you would